If you're growing a YouTube channel, is it better to have coaching or powerful data tools? Let's compare one of 10 and NexLev in 2025 to see which gives you more lift. NexLev's strength is in coaching. You get expert reviews, one-on-one feedback, personalized roadmaps, and strategy sessions. If you crave accountability and tailored advice, that human touch can push you past plateaus. One of 10 leans more into data and automation. You get trend spotting, content prompts, analytics alerts, and growth nudges, all delivered with pace so you can act fast. It's more self-driven, less hand-holding. With NextLev, you'll often follow structured plans, but sometimes you're waiting for feedback or direction. With one of 10, insights are instant, and you're empowered to pivot midstream. If you're early in your channel journey and want guidance, Next Lev's coaching can be super valuable. But if you already know your basics and would just want momentum and signals, one of 10 gives you more real-time direction to grow fast. If I were you, I'd try one of 10 first. It's the tool I use to scale faster based on data and momentum.